Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so open a Google Chrome browser and you can go to the option 3 dots option in Google Chrome browser. So click on this option and you can see the option here, new incognito window, and also you can press Ctrl Shift N to get a new incognito window in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so now I will click on new incognito window. Now you can see you got a new incognito window in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.